Introducing the Ninja ProChef Wireless Thermometer. This app-connected Bluetooth thermometer allows you to get live cooking updates and access cooking charts all from the palm of your hand, giving you the freedom to do whatever you want. No more babysitting your food. Before you can get started with your thermometer, you'll need to download the free Ninja Pro Connect app, available for both Apple and Android. Then register and pair your thermometer. Once you've done that, you're ready to get cooking with the Ninja ProChef Wireless Thermometer. Your cook starts with the app. First, pick which protein and specific cut of meat you'd like to cook. Once you've done that, you can preheat your appliance, prepare your favorite protein, and then you're ready to insert your thermometer and roast, bake, grill, sear, and sizzle away. Before inserting the thermometer, make sure you've identified the designated insertion line. To get the most out of your thermometer, make sure you're inserting it into the thickest part of the food, away from bone, fat, or gristle, and up to that designated insertion line. If you forget, don't worry. Ninja's got you covered with a reminder in the app. Now pop your protein into or onto the appliance you're cooking in and let it monitor your food. I usually use this time to prepare my side dishes. After a few minutes, the algorithm will work its magic and will populate the estimated completion time. The app will provide timing updates during your cook and let you know if your protein needs to be flipped. An important thing to remember when cooking proteins is that the meat will continue to cook for a bit once it's removed from the heat. To prevent overcooking, the thermometer and ProConnect app will notify you when it's time to remove your food from the heat source, and even provides a rest period countdown to ensure your food is cooked to the perfect level every time. Once your food is done, all you have left to do is remove your thermometer, cut, serve, and enjoy your delicious meal. And if you want to get part of your cleanup out of the way, you can wash the thermometer with soapy water, wipe it down, and then pop it back in its case to charge up for next time. Enjoy!